Hey everybody, I promised to show you our Saturday night ritual, which is healthy nachos. So I have taken 2 tortillas, and all I'm going to do is put a little bit of olive oil on it. I'm going to make my own chips, is what I'm doing. So put a little bit of I put a little bit of olive oil on both sides, and then I'll season it with a bit of salt, cut it into wedges, and then I throw that in the oven at 350 for about 6 minutes. Like I said, we do this every Saturday night, and it's quite the production. I make my own chips. We're going to make bean dip. Now, the bean dip will last for 2 weeks. I'll use it throughout the week, throw it in the salad or as a dip with veggies or whatever, but I'll make my own bean dip, and I make my own guacamole. These are the chips that came out of the oven. I'll put all the recipes in the Facebook group. Basically, you take your beans and some garlic and spices and cilantro, and then we're just going to mix this up, and I made bean dip. So we're going to go ahead and load our chips with vegetables, anything you have in the house. We'll use green onion, olives, red pepper, red onion, jalapeno. Babe likes, I don't like jalapeno. He's over there coaching me right now, but I don't put jalapeno on mine. But in Joe's vegan, so he'll put on vegan beef or tofu, and I'll prepare either chicken or ground beef for mine. And look, I go ahead and this is from this is probably 3 weeks ago. So what I'll do is make the batch of ground beef, and I'll put it in little individual Tupperware, and then I can grab that for a salad, for the nachos, whatever. It's been defrosting in the fridge. Okay, so another component to our healthy nachos is the guacamole. Actually, Joe and I were in Arizona, and they come and make it right at your table, and it's so good because everything is so fresh. But we Googled the recipe from Barrio Queen, guacamole at Barrio Queen, and we make it at home every Saturday night. This stuff doesn't stay fresh. And fresh avocado, lime, tomato, cilantro, green onion. And if it's a really special occasion, like if it's Christmas time, I will put in pomegranate seeds, and it's really on point. Depends on price point and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, guacamole's ready. Okay, so here we are back. Our chips are loaded. Joe's got the meat on there. And then, like I said, we just go ahead and put all the veggies. Everybody's was different when the kids were home. It was kind of fun, actually, because we'd chop everything up, and then everyone had to come and assemble their own. It's like a little production line. Somebody wanted olives. Somebody wanted jalapeno. Yeah. So we're just going to assemble those. That is not my plate, by the way. That's Joe's with, you see, the button chips and the vegan beef. That's not how I roll, but everybody's different, right? Yeah, so the bean dip just gets all blended together. It tastes very good. In fact, my son will come over, and if there's any in the fridge, he will eat the whole container with a bag of chips. No, I wouldn't suggest that, but it's really good if you're dipping vegetables through the week, or throw it in a salad. It keeps for about 2 weeks in the fridge.